Hi, I'm Jane. This is Sesame Street Big Bird sing. This is Big Bird. I took your microphone. I like to sing. Hello, what's your name? Take it, walk down, morning, land, and sing along to 11 great song with Big Bird is Snuffy. This the spine and the back. This Big Bird is Snuffy to get in the scrapbook, and the songs are I jetted over Japanese. What your name? Who? Big Bird song. Rhyme out. What a gib. Big Bird doesn't fly. Apicap Devina wheels on his my feet. The map song and sing. That could be phenomenal along with what's your name. So I'm gonna show you briefly from Sesame Street Big Bird sing.
Hello, I'm Big Bird. What's your name? My name is Big Bird. What's your name? I am tall. I can run. I play ball. I am fun. And I would like to be your friend. I hope you feel the same. What's your name?
I do recommend give 5 full stars. This is Sesame Street Big Bird sing. Thank you. Thumbs up.